Okay. If all we had was 1, 2, and 3 as our building block of life, we don't have a very advanced life. Okay. You can only do so much with 1, 2, and 3. And therefore, that was the purpose of adding in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There is a lot of information just in the dial pad on your phone in terms of why 9 is so important. I'm pretty sure you can see right here, you've got 7, 4, 1, which is going to be your throat chakra. You've got 8, 5, and 2, which is going to be your third eye chakra. And you have 9, 6, and 3, which is going to be your crown chakra. Okay, so your 3 top chakras are located when you are going from above or from below to above. Okay, now that's just a little bit. You also can clearly see right here, you have 1, 2, and 3, which is going to end up being 6, 4, 5, and 6, which is going to be 15, which is also a 6, and 7, 8, 9, which is going to be 24, which is also a 6. 6, 6, and 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is going to be 18. Okay. Man is represented by the number 18 because of the fact that carbon is also 6, 6, 6. It has 6 electrons, 6 protons, and 6 neutrons. Okay. Now you want to go a spiritual side, take 6 times 6 times 6, and you end up with 216. 216 is a highly powerful number when it comes to spirituality, because if you take 216 and you multiply it by 144, which you also should know is very spiritual if you've read the Bible, you end up with 31,104. And there are 31,104 verses in the Bible. Okay. So it is a very important number. You can also find some pretty cool alignments with Jesus because of the fact that Jesus in Gematria, which Gematria is literally just taking letters and applying numbers to them. So there's 2 different types of Gematria. There's 9 Gematria and there's 7 Gematria. 7 Gematria works like this. Let's do it down here. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. We're going to keep going just so I can show you what this looks like. J, K, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so if you were doing 7 Gematria, it works like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the reason this is called 7 Gematria is because of the fact that it flows like music. Okay, it is the 7 Gematria for the Hebrews. Okay, this is usually the oldest Gematria that you will find. The most modern Gematria is going to be the understanding of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, and then S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so you would add numbers to this. So this would just be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so if we were to take Jesus in this Gematria up here, we end up with, right? So we're going to look, we got 1. Then we're going to look at where's 5 or where's E. That's going to be a 5. S, right? We're going to find S. That's going to be a 1. U is going to be a 3. And then S is going to be a 1. So when you add those together, obviously you have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is 1 plus 1, which is going to be a 2. Okay. So modern Gematria is going to say that Jesus has a digital root of 2. That's okay. Older Gematria with the 7 is going to say that Jesus is going to end up being, so let's go ahead and do this, right? J is going to be 4, 5. We're going to find S, 6. We're going to find U, 6, and S. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 6, 6. 4, 5, 6, 6, 6. Okay, so it's just kind of cool that there's some interesting stuff that you can play with when you're dealing with your dial pad. And in case you didn't know this, I would just tell you this right now. The reason that this dial pad was chosen to be in this order is because they tried 37 different combinations of aligning these numbers. And it turns out that aligning them this exact order gives you a 0.30 time faster to memorize numbers than any other order. Okay, that's why the calculator has it. That's why your phone has it. It is 0.30 times faster for you to memorize things, and that's why it's done that way. Now, there's a lot of information that you can do in terms of the fact that obviously you have your 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, and 9. Tesla was talking about that 3, 6, and 9. But my favorite one is, because it still aligns with that 3, 6, and 9, is the difference between vortex math and 3, 6, and 9. Okay, so for instance, if we've got our 5 here, you will see right here that vortex math is 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, and 5. And these are located here. 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1. It ends up creating a DNA flow, leaving 3, 6, and 9 by itself. And remember, Tesla said, if you only knew the magnificence of 3, 6, and 9, you would have a key to the universe. Same thing goes over here. When you understand the power of vortex math, you understand that it is an illusion. You understand that vortex math is a complete illusion, and 369 is where your true energy lies. And that's what we're going to look at next.